Hey there, my name is Jordan and I am the marketing guy over at Energy Suspension here in sunny Southern California. In this series, we will be installing the full vehicle master kit on this 2015 FRS. This episode, we are going to replace the original front lower control arm rubber bushings with Energy Suspension HyperFlex polyurethane. Let's do this. First things first, we need to get the car up on the jack stands. With the car in gear and the e-brake on, along with some wheel chokes, the front can be lifted up. The hood is open to provide some extra natural light. With the wheels off, we can remove the tie rod end from the hub. To remove that, the cotter pin is taken out and the 17mm nut is loosened. Once loosened, a dead blow hammer was used to separate the joint from the hub. The front-facing mount is held on by a 19mm bolt and a 19mm nut. These are installed with red Loctite from the factory, which can make for the necessity of a high torque impact gun or breaker bar. The rear-facing mount is held on with a 17mm nut and bolt. Finally, we move on to the ball joint. The joint is held to the hub with a 19mm nut with a cotter pin that must be removed before the arm can be separated from the car. Now that the hardware has all been loosened, we can separate the ball joint and remove the arm. Arm is off and ready for new bushings. With the arm removed, some penetrating lubricant can be sprayed on the original bushings in hopes to ease removal. Using the impact gun and rental tools, we will press out the original bushing. Now we can add a very thin layer of Formula 5 lubricant to aid in the installation of the new sleeve. The new sleeve can be pressed in with the rental clamp. In the provided instructions, we are given a specific measurement of how far the sleeve is supposed to be exposed from the top or bottom of the arm. In this case, I used measuring calipers set to the specified length and threaded the rental clamp until only the specified measurement of the sleeve was showing.
Every dog must have his day.
Now that the bushing is in, we can again use the provided Formula 5 pre-lube to install the inner sleeve. The original rear-facing bushing is pressed in with quite a bit of force. There is a link below for the tools used for this, as the rental tools would not work for this application.
Sweet, I'm so tired of you. Sweet, I'm so tired of you treat me this way. And I'm human, treat me this way. Sweet, I'm so tired of you. Sweet, I'm so tired of you treat me this way.
Similar to the front-facing bushings, the rear bushings and sleeves are installed with Formula 5 lubricant. Bushings are installed and are ready to provide high-performance driving experience backed with Energy Suspension's 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. In this video, we replaced lower control arm bushings on a 2015 FRS. However, the process and general idea of removal installation is very similar for a majority of Subaru other Japanese vehicles. Please don't forget to use new cotter pins for the tie rod and lower ball joints. Stay tuned for the next episodes, more installation tips and tricks. Drive safely. Thanks for watching.